Hey, limsahla yase-Orlando mfethu. Hey madoda. They loaned out a real striker. They loaned out uMabasa. For if bekhona igoli niyazi bilizophuma lapho niyamazi mabo isigwebo sentambo nje yabona nje esesaphi isigwebo sentambo besinzima kabi nashiya nelambuthuma nonyawo lapha nithi Parade mina ngiyajabula kodwa ngiyacasula abantu disithi kitami kodwa ngiyajabula ayasiqhubeka yabona uLuis Diaz sengiyazi ukuthi mina iphathi yakhe ibheke iSundowns ilofana lo replace Williams uma sebekhathelwe bazolanda lo mchithi into ezobe sicefa lo mchithi age yakhe una 27 mhlawumbe kumele bamlande next season or that season yabo vele prime yakhe nje manje le yambona ukuthi uvimba kanjani shot stop kanje lo mchithi hey lo mfethu ngeke uyahlanya ekhanda lo mfethu uyahlanya ekhanda ayingeke ha ayibo ngeke ndoda akwazi uvimba nje yena mfethu akwazi uvimba nje if bengenaye uPeterson lapha bengizomlanda kodwa hayi ngino Peterson mhlambe sesingayenza phela iswap ngibanika uBruce Bavuma banginike lo mjitha lo like free nga edwamani and then ithi sengihlekise kunawo wonke and iaccurate iqiniso idifference ukuthi umunye udlala eEngland umunye udlala eSouth Africa kodwa into eyodwa le yabona nje Pirates izophela number 2 futhi ngephela number 2 phela number 3 because Sundowns izobe number 2 nayo team izowina league kodwa phela sa early yabona nje lento ukuthi we have 4 games in hand 2 games in hand ayisebenzi la uthi nama games in hand doesn't mean unama points in hand and namhlanje ba drop ama points next game bazo drop ama points sifike mhla 28 ngobancane indawo bafethu come on abomshithi ngimkhonzile lo fethu lo kodwa akukhuluma iqiniso fethu you are not Kevin De Bruyne laba pass lokwa keep distribute into engekho you are not Kevin De Bruyne cha ama short pass bonke ngelifike ibhola phambili na uzonika uTito anikeze uMahophi ibhola yazi Mahophi ufisa kuba uGodara kodwa angeke alunge kodwa wena ufuna ukubani Kevin De Bruyne fethu lama long pass fethu mina ngasho ukuthi uyidlisile nePirates ngokwakho kodwa ke phela
besimdinga
ke nje awuyena Ronaldinho awuyena ubani awuyena uModric awuyena ubani susa lento le udlala ibhola wanitshela uJomo ngalomjitha naphizi lokunithi uJomo uyasangana yina yaziyo yina uJomo wazolikhulu uJomo wanitshela uJomo kodwa ke phela nathi ubaba uyibanjelwe insaka nina hayi ngisitholi isithombe sika Sibelebele la bekufuna ukuntshela ayikho ingoma lapha ayikaze yaba khona ingoma ayisoze yaba khona no song nje kona kuyahlekisa bese ama favor eniwatholayo la kwiPSL nina nidlala ngama weekend kuphela nini midweek ne game in hand abe nidlalela midweek nidlale namhlanje abe equal wonke ama game kodwa ngathani hayi maningi nekakhoza lezimele iphumule nako ukuphumula nil nakuphumula bafethu iPirates iyathola ama favor la kwiPSL seningasho nikushoyo kodwa iPirates iyathola ama favor la kwiPSL amakhulu ngomthetho indaba yadlala midweek izodlala namhlanje iphinde izodropa le sticker lesi bafethu kodwa phela mina nginendaba I'm happy ileague ngiyasondela yona kancane awu madoda
and always count on Eric Tingler to shake things up. Eric Tingler, thank you. Eric Tingler, I don't know how I can thank you from the bottom of my heart, Eric Tingler. Because Eric Tingler does not like Orlando Pirates. Straight. What did you guys do to Eric Tingler? Pirates, tell us what you guys do to Eric Tingler. But I love him for it. He won't allow you to take points home just like that. Share the spoils. But when Otto came on, hey, my house started. Because I know Otto. That man that runs into the box playing those crosses, Mufukeng always picks him out. But luckily they didn't start. Hey, Mufukeng, defense splitting passes. Hey, there might be a problem. We need to plan for those defense splitting passes Mufukeng is doing. Because, hey, we can get hurt there. But I just want to say, Eric Tingler, thank you, because I was hate watching. I was minyering 50% hate watch successful. I'm taking 50%. When Carlos was hitting them, you know what? Skukune was sitting like this at the back. I was in the middle, so we made a back three. I was defending with Skukune. Every chance Pirates got, I was tackling with Skukune. Skukune, well done. Skukune, thank you. Because, hey, games in hand. Games in hand is not points on the board. I keep telling you, give Mamelodi Sundowns the league. It's done. Forget about the Pirates. I told you guys on Monday. 2026 on Monday, I said give Sundowns the league. No one listened. Pirates is not winning the league. Not winning the league. You draw today, you draw next week, and then you guys want to skip Nyana or some weeks and not play games. Or it's midweek, you want to skip Nyana and not play games to save the games. Doesn't matter, save the games. There are no points on the board because it's going to put pressure on you when you have to catch up those games. You draw Trace Kukune, you draw during the week, games in hand are gone. You've gone nowhere. Kaizer Chiefs, Amazulu, every school.
Awukodwa bakithi yini kodwa Nkosi yami yini 2 months wonke umuntu ulinde cholesterol yazi kade ngilokhu ngisho ukuthi what to ball is back, what to ball is back, what to draw is back. Ayiyabona nje Nkosi yami yazi nje kwigame namhlanje ngeke ngisho ukuthi ucoach kanjani coach wonke into yenze kahle game plan ibe right mfethu first half ila bekumele khona siyiqede igame second half fine second half bekusangadlala ngoba second half bese sibuya ke Sikhukhune futhi busibona ukuthi asisana inkinga nale ya draw yabo ubona nje ngokuthi ba defend kusasele 10 minutes ukuthi umdlalo udlala mfethu ukuthi ayishayile la kodwa kulungile ke bakwethu ngoba nje hayibo futhi manje sesihlule ukushaya Sikhukhune 2 times okwesibili phela manje Nkosi yami azi moya wamobelo waphansi kade ngisho ukuthi itsimnyama iyadlala namhlanje leyakhithi bangaphinde bayiqoka abafethi abo nje manje ngeke ngisakwazi nokuncuma abadlali kahle ngoba kuyafana mana ama results angikho happy ngawo kodwa ibhodlela lidlalile namhlanje ibackline idlalile namhlanje kwaphela yona into ebengisho ukuthi eyisoke sibone since iTLB ngakho okunye ke we were just unfortunate ngeke ngisho ukuthi Sikhukhune bese too good for them first half sesibukile nje Sikhukhune ukuthi dakash has sangivele ngacikela tayingcono 1 point nginento engenalo ukuthi ukuthi ke lento ukuthi ungcono 1 point iPirates iluza kanje ileague njalo hayi ukuthi sidliwe mhlawumbe thina sidliwa kabili ngesizini bese sihlompe sidrawe ka8 ka9 uvela ubona ukuthi ngobani kumayelana nanje ukudrawa kanje masidrawa manje baby
abafethu olamthuthu bahleka kufanele mara kodwa ngiyazi into abayihlekayo ngoba Isikhukhune sabayenza njalo sabashaya ngathi asibaboni nje sabashaya ke bafethu so angibasoli nabahleka kanje ngoba thina kithi draw iyafana ukuthi lose yabo kodwa le lose yethu ayifani nayabo ukuthi bona bashajwa 3 yonke yangena kuPeterson.
Yazi, I was so excited to watch Wadu ball. Kanti ngichahe nje nonsense. Absolute nonsense. So Pirates should have won this game, especially with the number of chances that they created against Sikhukhune. But also, we need to give flowers to Sikhukhune for their defensive setup. This was a defensive masterclass. I mean, Abondlovu, Abolitlapa, Abomkhize lapha eswini. Khona lebedlala ku wing back abathu Ramala. Those guys, they were so exceptional. So, a problem with Pirates is that they were so aggressive on one side of the pitch, the left-hand side. We were phefumula ngeside lamrem. And on the right-hand side, iside lasibelebele, they were not as good. So, if they were as aggressive on the right as they were on the left, they could have had the chance to stretch the defense even more. Get Umakhopa involved in the game. I don't blame Umakhopa for being absent because Utito was not playing close enough to him for him to be effective in the game. They needed a striker like Umabas, but like Aksenan. Eric Tinkler is set up yake. Le midfield three ebedlala ya Munare, Umkhize noMncube. Completely cancelled out in midfield three Pirates, of which was Umakhaula, Utito, kanye noMbatha. Because once those three guys are ticking, Pirates was now dominate, but for the fact that they were cancelled out, they failed to dominate, and that makes ama wing backs the Pirates null and void. Abondaba, they can't make those overlapping runs to bring in the crosses because Eswin dominates. Abu Van Rooyen, they were not as effective as we know them to be because Eswin dominates. So great game plan by Eric Tinkler. The race for the title is looking
The race for the title is looking angazi kanjani now is it looking. But into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi igame namhlanje bafethu mina nje hayi angikho happy. I am not happy because izolo ngilokhu ngibuka lama documentary Pirates la eBrotherhood what and ama-coach nama-players they keep emphasizing ukuthi we want to win the league. We want to win the league. But how are you going to win the league when your best players are on the bench? Why? We don't have to make a really impact player. There's no reason to we really know police two baba my impact players. At least you one wabo. You one wabo mele qala game. You can't start a game usibili no Mrem. Usibili just came back from an injury or worse. Lethule iphuma ke FCON like there was no need for coach to aqale ngomrem nosibili bafethu, to be honest. There was no need for coach to aqale ngosibili. Angazi nje mfethu ngithini namhlanje mfethu angazi ngithini. Coach you keep emphasizing ukuthi we want to win the league but hayi mina angazi. I wanna nje ngikhathele mfethu. I know basibiza nge-Arsenal but sibhotlile league mfethu and lento igame namhlanje mfethu waqedile amathema mfethu because first half mfethu angazi ukuthi bengibukeleni lapha. I was so disappointed mfethu. Nami mfethu ngiyafana like na wonke umuntu who was eager to watch Pirates play. I was looking forward to watching ibhola kaWadu. But first half I was like now. Nah, isebenzi lento le. Usibili out. Akakhishwanga. Yabona if you like ileague asiwin ngempela. Awuthi amagame ngizowabuka and be like ileague like that's why we lost the league. Igame eSundowns uSiyama could have passed the ball to Mrem. Negame namhlanje usibili could have cut back ibhola to Police. Bafethu. Ngiyana usibili ngiunderstand ukuthi mfethu before limala ama-headlines were always about you sibili manje ufuna ukuthi vele isport sibele kuwena but come on bra just pass the ball phasa ibhola na uphaseliwe bra mfethu mina phakathi zomoya phakathi okhatha zomoya wami mfethu and I was so azimba mfethu ngiyabonga for watching, comment, subscribe and please just tell me ukuthi ngicabanga ngegame namhlanje mfethu. Just tell me ukuthi I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. Ubona nje if we draw against Sundowns or mhlawumbe we lose and then mhlawumbe we draw against Chiefs or maybe we lose that game, it's joy for us. Because it's not like Chiefs mfethu ikude le. Oh my god. Mfethu cela subscribe. Yo, mfethu ayike.